Wow, this store is big.
Yes, it is a big store.
I want new clothes.
That is great.
I need a new dress.
A new dress. Good.
Yes, a simple dress.
For work?
Yes, for work.
Okay, let us look.
I feel excited,
That is good.
but I feel nervous.
Do not be nervous.
I do not know what to say.
It is okay. We will practice.
Really?
Yes, we will speak slowly.
Slow is good.
Yes, slow is good.
I need a black dress.
A black dress. Very simple.
Yes, simple and nice.
Okay, let us find a black dress.
Where are the dresses?
I think they are over there.
Over there?
Yes, on the left.
Oh, I see.
Good. Let us go.
Okay, let us go. Wow, so many dresses.
Yes, many colors.
I see red.
Yes, that is red.
I see blue.
Yes, that is blue.
I see black.
Good, you see black.
I like this black dress.
It looks nice.
Is it too long?
No, it is not too long.
Is it too short?
No, it is not too short.
It looks simple.
Yes, it looks simple and clean.
I like simple.
Simple is good for work.
Yes, simple is good for work.
What size do you need?
I do not know.
That is okay.
I think small.
You think small?
Yes, I usually wear small.
Let us check the tag.
Where is the tag?
Here, on the back.
Oh, I see.
This one is medium.
Oh no, I need small.
Let us find small.
Yes, I need small.
Here, this is small.
Oh, good.
Do you want to try it on?
Yes, I want to try it on.
Good idea.
Where is the fitting room?
We can ask.
I feel shy.
It is okay. I will help you.
Thank you, Max.
You are welcome.
Hello, can I help you?
Hello, yes?
She wants to try this dress.
Of course.
Where's the fitting room? It is over there. Over there? Yes, next to the mirror. Thank you. What size is the dress? It is small. Good. You can try it on. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
You did great.
Really?
Yes, you spoke clearly.
I said, where is the fitting room?
Yes, very good sentence.
I feel better now.
Good, good. Try the dress.
Okay, I will try it on.
Lily, how is it?
I am coming out.
Wow, it looks nice.
Really?
Yes, it looks very nice.
Is it too tight?
No, it is not too tight.
Is it too loose?
No, it fits well.
It fits well?
Yes, it fits you well.
I like it.
Good.
Is it good for work?
Yes, it is good for work.
It is simple.
Yes, it is simple and professional.
Professional. I like that word.
Yes, it looks professional.
How much is it?
Let us check the price.
Where is the price?
On the tag.
Oh, I see.
It is $40.
$40.
Yes, 40.
Is that expensive?
No, it is a good price.
A good price?
Yes, not too expensive.
I think I will buy it.
Good choice.
I will buy this dress.
Let us go to the cashier.
Okay, let us go.
Hello? Hello? Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am ready.
That will be $40.
$40?
Yes.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Okay.
Please tap your card here.
Tap my card here?
Yes, right here.
Okay.
It is done.
It is done?
Yes, payment is complete.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too.
You did very well.
I feel happy.
You bought a new dress.
Yes, I bought a new dress.
And you spoke English.
Yes, I spoke English.
Are you proud?
Yes, I am proud.
Good. You should be proud.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Shopping is fun.
Yes, shopping is fun.
I learned new words.
Yes, dress, size, price.
Fitting room.
Yes, fitting room.
Cashier.
Yes, cashier.
Small, medium.
Very good.
Too tight, too loose.
Excellent.
It fits well.
Perfect sentence.
I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful.
Next time I will speak alone.
Yes, you can do it.
I can do it.
Yes, you can.
Thank you, Max.
You are always welcome, Lily.